Hello guys, welcome to Hezee FX Academy YouTube channel. And today we're going to digress a bit. We're going to do a trade review. I want to show you my complete thought process before executing a trade. This trade, I just made a little amount of like $100 on this particular trade. And the whole thing is the idea behind the trade and how it aligned perfectly well with the strategy we've taught in this channel over time. So if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much and thank you for coming in. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel because here I'll be dishing out the secret of VIX25 as time goes on. All right. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. Okay. I took this trade based off of like so many conferences anyway. One is trend line, second is the structure of the market, and third is the entry. Very important. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how it is done. Okay. So let me get rid of it and we'll go straight away to what? Dissect it. Now, it all started, all right. The idea started from what? The daily time frame, because anytime I come into the market, I always go to the what? The higher time frame to see what is actually going on. Okay. When I came, sorry, let me get rid of this. When I came to this market, particularly that day, the price action was exactly at this level here. This was where the price was. All this one have not been developed and all that. Okay. So, right, it's basically simple now. Higher highs, high low, higher highs, high low, and higher highs. So this was where the price was. This was where the price was then. I had my trend line drawn on the charts, right? I had my trend line plotted on the chart, and I was potentially waiting for what? A pullback of what? The overall trend. I needed a pullback probably before the what? The continuation. Okay. Where was I expecting the pullback to come down to? I had my imbalance. There was an imbalance area exactly at this level, and another one exactly at this level. So I was waiting for this first. I was waiting for this first one to get tapped. That was what I was all waiting for. This first place to get tapped is just a quick trade and quick in within 24 hours and what? Out of the market. So when I saw this, right? And again, I look at the current price. Where's this current price? You can see that there's an imbalance here, right? Price might definitely have a bit of reaction here before continuing the overall movement. That was my thought. I was basically expecting what? A pullback of this what? Leg, right? Well, it's as simple as that. So when I finish analyzing on this 24-hourly time frame, that's the daily time frame, I went down because one thing that confirms to me that there will be a turning point here is engulfing candle, right? It's engulfing candle, and there is a way this engulfing candle always look like. It's more or less like I'm having what? This is a bearish case. I'm having a bullish candle. I needed a candle that will sweep both the highs and lows of what? The previous candle. That's all what I need, right? Something of this form. Sorry, I should have done this before now, right? I needed a candle, an engulfing candle that will tell me that this price action is about to pull back, right? This is a bearish candle. Sorry, let me, all right, perfect. So I needed an engulfing candle of this form that sweep both the highs and the what? The lows of the previous candle, right? That was all what I was looking for, but not on this daily time frame, rather on either 4-hourly time frame or the 8-hourly time frame. That's what I normally use. Okay, I don't use 1 hour from the daily time frame. I go down to either 8-hour or 4-hourly time frame. Then I go to look for my entry on the what? The 15-minute time frame. Now, this nature of candle, what it tells me is price go to sweep the liquidity high, then what? There was a displacement here. All what I want is what? A return back and a continuation. So I was waiting for this what? Bullish candle on what? Either the 4-hourly or the 8-hourly time frame. Right? Let me get rid of it. Okay. Let me get rid of these and all that. Okay. Now, having mapped out these, I was basically waiting for a pullback. I went down to the 4-hourly time frame. That was my whole thought process, looking for what? That engulfing candle exactly above here. There was none. This did not sweep the high, did not meet up with my criteria. So I did not do anything. This day, I actually wait for the price action, and it became more skeptical when I saw this engulfing candle, right? So I let it be. So coming back the following day, and I checked, okay, what's happening on the 8-hourly time frame, right? That was when I now saw that this particular candle engulfed the high, sweep the high, and it what? Sweep the low of this what? Previous candle. That was when I had the confidence to go to the lower time frame. You can see that this particular candle take out the what? The liquidity high and what? Displace it. So I was expecting what? A return back before a pullback to either tap into this low or tap into this balance or in this imbalance before what? The continuation. That was my whole thought process, right? Let me get rid of it. That was my whole thought process. So when I saw this candle, I went down to what? The 15-minute time frame. That is where I execute. That is where I normally execute my trade. I went down to the 15-minute time frame, right? And I was looking, because once we have a displacement like that, one thing that confirmed to us in our own private community, probably I'll drop the link to the public WhatsApp group, that's WhatsApp signal group, so that you can join and be a part of what we do there, right? So one thing that confirmed to us that engulfing candle that we see on the higher time frame is actually valid is when we see a change of character on the lower time frame. And you can see that when we come down to this 15-minute time frame, you can see that a displacement actually occurred here, because the price action was actually, the price was actually trending up here, creating high highs and higher lows, high highs and higher lows, and we have a displacement here. All right. Now, this is where most people that uses change of character as an entry confirmation actually get it wrong. After you have a displacement or your change of character, it still remains one more thing that we wait for. That same pattern of engulfing candle that sweep both the highs and the lows of the previous candle. We wait for that particular candle before executing any trade at all, right? So when we have a displacement here, we want this market to trade back up, then give us that entry confirmation within this zone before what? Take any form of trade or, all right? So when we were waiting, we were waiting in the group, or I was waiting, and when I was expecting the candle here, non-evolve, not until this particular point here. Look at this candle standing here, right? You can see that it sweep the high and it sweep the low and go to close below. The moment I see this candle, this particular candle here, that was when I went into what? This position with my stop loss above here, right? I'll definitely place the screenshot of the MT5 here, and the take profit on this other side, right? On my left and right. And the whole thought process, when I saw this, okay, we executed the trade, where will our target be? We go back to the 4-hourly time frame to set the target, right? And we target the next imbalance in front of us. You can see that from this candle here to this candle here was all. There was an imbalance here. This was where the take profit was here. This was where the take profit was what? Please, exactly at this point here. You can see that this is more or less like we're expecting a pullback, but we were not expecting a total pullback to what? Back to the trend line. We just a quick in, quick out, right? And we're done for the day, and the chart was closed and we went out, okay? So you can see that from here, we set out the TP on the 15-minute, and the whole trade run down, and what? The TP was smashed with ease, right? So you can, the engulfing bar combined with change of character will increase your what? Your strike rate, your entries are very, very important. After you have a change of character, don't just go and look for what? Area to just place a buy or sell limit. Wait for that engulfing candle that sweep both the highs and lows of the previous candle. Okay. Thank you for watching. are subscribing, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, peace out.